कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। राधा कृष्णाय नमो नमः। सीतारामभ्यं नमः। सर्वदेवाभ्यं नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। हेलो my dear well wishers and goodwill persons. Actually, you are the well beings, those are watching these videos because it's a beautiful topic, the Gita discussions, which is going to be the drastical change your life and positive thought and positive impact will bring in your life. So my dear viewers, now after completion of the chapter number 14, I am just going to give you or discuss the chapter number 15, which is very important and it plays a crucial role to be a perfect man, okay, and which is called as the supreme person, the yoga of supreme person, जिसे कहते हैं पुरुषोत्तम योगा। योगा मतलब पुरुषोत्तम योगों में हम देखेंगे हम कैसे हमारा जीवन में एक उत्तम पुरुष बन सकते हैं। जो उत्तम पुरुष बनने का जो सामर्थ्य है हमारे अंदर, उसको हम कैसे उजागर करते हैं और एक अच्छा मनुष्य बनते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 15, लेट्स डाइव इन। Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't skip this subscribe button and please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications whatever next will come in near future. Thank you. ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ पंचदश अध्यायः। श्री भगवान उवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमधशाखमश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित्। Sri Bhagavan said, he who knows the people tree in the form of creation, which is said to be imperishable with its root in the primeval being God, whose branch is represented by Brahma, the creator, and whose leaves are the Vedas, is a knower of the purport of the Vedas. अधसोर्धं प्रसूतास्तस्व शाखा गुण प्रवृद्धा विषय प्रबलाः अधस्य मूलान्यासुनान् शून्यतानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके. Fed by the three gunas and having sense objects for their tender leaves, the branches of the aforesaid tree in the shape of the different orders of creation extend both downwards and upwards, and its roots, which bind the soul according to its action in the human body, are spread in all regions, higher as well as lower. न रूपमस्येह तथोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलमसङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा. The nature of this tree of creation doesn't on mature thoughts turn out what it is represented to be, for it has neither beginning nor end nor even stability. Therefore, cutting down this people tree, which is most firmly rooted in the form of the world, with the formidable axe of dispassion, ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं जस्मिघ्नता निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमीव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यत प्रवृत्तिः प्रसूत पुराणी. Thereafter a man should diligently seek for that supreme state, it is God, having attained which they return no more to this world, and having fully resolved that he stands dedicated to that primeval being God Narayan himself, from whom the flow of this beginningless creation has progressed, he should dwell and meditate on him. निर्माण मोहाजित संग दोषा अध्यात्म नित्या विनिवृत कामः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुख दुःखे संगे गच्छन्त मूढ़ा पदं व्ययन्तत. They who are free from pride and delusion, who have conquered the evil of attachment and are constantly abiding in God, whose cravings have altogether ceased, and who are completely immune to all pairs of opposites, going by the names of pleasure and pain, and are undeluded, attain that supreme immortal state. न तद्दासयते सूर्यो न शशंको न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. Neither the sun nor the moon nor fire can illumine that supreme self-effulgent state, attaining which they never return to this world, that is my supreme abode. ममैवंसो जीवलोके जीवभूत सनातनः मनः वसष्टानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति. The eternal Jivatma in this body is a fragment of my own self, and it is that alone which draws around itself the mind and the five senses which abide in Prakriti. Sarirang jadavapnoti jachapyukramadiswarah गृहीत्वेतानि संजाति वायुर्गंधानि वासयात्. Even as the wind wafts scents from their seat, so too the Jivatma, who is the Lord of the body, etc., taking the mind and the senses from the body, which it leaves behind, forthwith migrates to the body, which it acquaints. श्रोत्रं चक्षुः स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते. It is while dwelling in the senses of hearing, sight, touch, taste and smell, as well as in the mind, that this Jivatma enjoys the objects of senses. उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः. The ignorant know not the soul departing from or dwelling in the body or enjoying the objects of senses, that is, even when it is connected with the three gunas, only those endowed with the eyes of wisdom are able to realize it. Jatanto yoginasainyam pasyanthatmanya bhavasthitam jatanto pyakrutatmano nainam pasyanta chetasaha. Striving yogis who are able to realize this self enshrined in their heart, the ignorant, however, whose heart has not been purified, know not this self in spite of their best endeavors. Jadadityagatam tejo jagadhasayati khidam jachandramasi jachagno tateji viddhimamakam. The radiance in the sun that illuminates the entire world, and that which shines in the moon, and that which shines in the fire too, know that radiance to be mine. Gama visya visya cha bhutani dharayamyamojasam pushpani chausadhi sarvaha somo bhutva rasatmakaha. And permitting the soil, it is I who support all creatures by my vital energy. And becoming the sapful moon, I nourish all plants. Aham vaisyanaro bhutva praninang dehamasritah pranapana samayuktah pachatmanyam chaturvidam. Taking the form of fire as Vaishnav Nara, lost in the body of all creatures and united with the prana exhalation and apana inhalation breaths, it is I who digest and assimilate the four kinds of food. Sarvasya chaham hrudi sannivisto matah smruti jnanamapohanam cha vedaischa sarvirahameva jidvidyo vedanta krudye davideva chaham. Sarvasya chaham, all creatures are the indweller of all, and it is I who am the source of memory, knowledge and the ratiocinity. Again, I am the only object with knowing through the Vedas. I alone am the origin of the Vedanta and the knower of the Vedas too. द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षरश्चाक्षर एव च क्षर सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते. The perishable and the imperishable too. These are two kinds of Purushas in this world. Of these, the bodies of all beings are spoken of as the perishable, while the Jivatma or the embodied soul is called imperishable. Uttamah Purusha Swanyah Paramatmetyudahrudah Jo Lokatrayamavisya Vivartya Vaisvarah. Yet the Supreme Person is other than these, who having encompassed all the three worlds, upholds and maintains all, and has been spoken as the imperishable Lord and the Supreme Spirit. Jasma Charamatito Hamakcharadapi Chotamaha Atosmi Loke Bedecha Prathita Purushottamaha. Since I am wholly beyond the perishable world of matter or Kshetra, and am superior even to the imperishable soul, Jivatma, hence I am known as the Purushottam, the Supreme Self in the world as well as in the Vedas. Jo mameva sammudho janati purushottamam sa sarva viddhajati man sarva bhavena bharata. Arjun, the wise man who thus realizes me as the Supreme Person, knowing all, he constantly worships me, the all-pervading Lord, with his whole being. Iti guhyatamang shastramida muktam maya naga etad buddhya buddhimanya krutam krutasya bharata. Arjun, this most historic teaching has thus been imparted by me. Grasping it in essence, man becomes truly wise, and his mission in life is accomplished. Thus, in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjun, ends the 15th chapter entitled The Yoga of the Supreme Person. Om Tassaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishastu Brahma Vidyayang Yoga Shastri Sri Krishna Arjuna Sambhade Purushottama Yoga Nama Panchasadhyayah. हरि ओम शांति शांति शांति. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति.